Welcome. In front of me I have the Soundcore speaker by Anchor, and this is the Boom 2, and I'll go over unboxing. I'll look at a quick look, maybe a lesson of the actual speaker. Before I actually get into the unboxing, let's talk about a couple of the features right here. So we have Party 2.0 Cast, which allows you to basically cast to a couple of devices, so you can play from multiple speakers at the same time. We have bass up, it's just mumbo jumbo for bass. 80 watts output, and that's pretty good. Floatable, so it is water resistant. It has IPX, there we go, X7. So it is waterproof, and the design of the speaker allows it to float on water, so it won't sink, which is pretty cool. And 24-hour playtime, which is pretty decent as well. Now, getting our way into the box, let's just grab a knife so I can... Oh, actually, I don't need it. Thank you, Anchor. This nice little pull tab. There we go, I can just like plop that off. Oh, just a shipment label there that was stuck to it. So opening it up, we have our cable, Type-C to Type-C cable. Then the speaker itself. And in there, there's also an instruction. So I'm gonna keep it in there. Anyway, taking those off. Okay, so here we have the back of it. Looking at the front, just a little logo. And then at the top we have a couple buttons. So power on, Bluetooth obviously, minus for volume up and down, play, pause. No clue. I presume this might be just like some sharing button for, you know, connecting multiple devices. And then we have the bass boost. I'm grabbing my phone. Oh, I can automatically connect. That's pretty cool. Download app. No, thank you. I don't want to download the app. Let's just search for a song. Typical one, obviously. Skip through it a bit. Okay, pretty, I guess, decent showcase right now. One thing that it looks to be interesting right here, we have a little bit of a note right here. So note to turning on a bass up and the light show will reduce playtime. So now I'm not sure why it says 60 watts to 80. And is this the light? No, this isn't the light, I think. I have no clue how to actually turn off the lights themselves right here, as it looks like there's no button for it. Oh wait, no, there it is. So it shows you, again, it's kind of like being blocked by a handle. So you hold it for 3 seconds, the base button, to turn off the lights. And turning off the lights will give you better battery life, and I think might even give you higher output, considering it does say 60 to 80, though it could be wrong. So let's see. So it is flashing right now. You like hold it multiple times. Ah, no, stop it. No. No. So it looks like right now it's just cycling through different modes. Back to the below. Let's just hold it longer. Okay, so it seems like you can't really turn it off. Oh, 2 times. So this is the cycle. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, so you do everything with the bass boost in terms of like the lighting. You hold it for 3 seconds to cycle through different. You can hold it continuously, and it will just cycle through different modes, as you see me do at the end. And you can also press it 2 times to simply turn off the lighting, which will give you better battery life. Which honestly, I don't really see a reason for RGB lighting on a speaker, so I prefer to have a better battery life rather than just some pointless lighting. I have a speaker to play music, not to have a light show. But that's just my personal approach to this. So there we go. Sound wise, okay, I can't really complain. It sounds pretty decent. Bass wise and like responsiveness of the speaker isn't necessarily like super great, but still, for a speaker that is waterproof, designed for outdoors, and has a good battery life with a decent battery like output, yeah, I do have to say, the sound wise, I would say it's decent for everything else that it offers in the package. So anyway, that's basically it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.